Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change the language on your Windows 11 computer. If you want to use your system in a different language or just prefer another language for convenience, this guide will help you make the change quickly and easily. Let's begin the steps. First, right-click on the Start icon in your taskbar. Next, click on Settings from the list that appears. Next, navigate to the Time and Language section to access all the language and region options. Then, click on Language and Region, and you will see an option to add a language. After that, choose the language you want to install from the list and click Next. Be sure to check the box that says Set as my Windows display language, then click on Install. Wait while Windows downloads and installs the selected language, which may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Finally, when the installation is complete, click on Sign Out to apply the new language settings across your system. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.